I think it would be the starting of a new leap of dialogue with the United States. We have to promote our relations with the United States.
One of the topics in the agreement is economic cooperation between the EU and US. What are the prospects for a free trade area between the United States and the European Union?
I think we have not convened to have a free trade area, but as we call it, we have to install a new transatlantic marketplace. I think we have to deal with all our relationships, with our relations on the trading side, and we have also to have a study how we can cut down our tariff barriers.
There have been many developments recently. Is this evidence that the EU and the US are drawing increasingly closer together?
I hope so, because we have to stick together in several fields. It's starting by trading, but it's also in the political level, in security matter, and so on. The world is becoming much closer. We are living in a globalized economy, and therefore it's also important for the main trading partners, as we are, the United States on one side and the European Union on the other, that we share our common views and that we have also a vision for the future.
Mr. Jacques Santer, President for the European Commission, thank you for joining us on EBN.
Thank you.